And what did you say it was?
It's on the side. It's on the side. On the back.
Yeah. It's an Oreion, or it's a Reeper. Almost number, but it's an Oreion Reeper Apex. And Reeper is with two E's instead of R-E-A.
Right.
So Oreion Reeper Apex.
Oreion Reeper. What kind of engine?
It's got a 4-cylinder in the back. A fuel injected 4-cylinder.
Fuel injected 4-cylinder. So the gas tank is up. That's the gas tank.
Yep,
then.
up front.
So the gas tank's up front.
Right here.
Four-cylinder engine.
We wanted a Honda Tailwind. We couldn't find one. We were driving through town one day and she didn't have a used car to first.
So you bought this as like a car? Like a vehicle that they had at a dealership?
We bought it to...
Yeah.
So have you ever been to Hog Waller?
Yeah, once.
So we go there a lot.
Right.
And the first thing we did is we called and said, hey, can we take this in the back too?
Yeah.
Yep.
Cool.
You need anything? Let me get the door.
Four-cylinder engine. That's really cool.
It came with a soft top too. So
It's
this,
like a Jeep, it comes
this
off.
comes off, and on here is the buttons where the soft top snaps on.
Oh, that's cool.
It's basically a little Jeep.
That's really cool.